Now in a component like MCB, which is what we feel is the most difficult and the critical component in the electrical industry to be measured, people generally spend around 10 to 12 days in doing a large number of measurements. This vision inspection system can be of a great help. You can measure a complete MCB in around 20 to 25 minutes with all the dimensions measured. Also, you will get a drawing also simultaneously, which will be very useful for reverse engineering purpose. Now the problem generally in MCB is, since this being a plastic component, you can see in the screen, the edges are not perfect. Edges are not perfect, and if you take less number of points, like if you take 1 point here, I'll just show you. If you take a point here and take a point here, you can see this red mark. Now the results will not be perfect. You can see the edges are not perfect. So what you need is a kind of complete scanning for the line, so that you get the best fit line, like this. Now you can see the red points. This kind of measurement is very, very helpful, and you have already seen this. This is so fast. This is very, very fast also. So your inspection time will be reduced, and you'll be sure that your results are not dependent upon the human being who is doing the measurement, because everybody who will be doing the measurement will be scanning the same number of points at the same number of phase, because this is what the maximum points which are possible at this particular surface. So everybody will be taking the points on the same surface, same number of points, so you will get the repeatability. Secondly, you will get the accuracy also, because you are getting the best fit line, the least square best fit line out of these undulations on the surface. So accuracy is there, speed is there, plus no involvement of human being, no dependence upon the human being who is doing the measurement. Now let's see how a program will be run. Now a program is a kind of a series of steps you can program into this machine, like we have programmed for this MCB. Whatever dimensions we want, we have just programmed that, and next time when we keep this MCB, we just have to press the start button. Automatically the measurement will start and we'll get the complete results. So let's press the start button here. You can see the motors are moving automatically. The motors are moving the part. See the movement of the motors. Now in the screen also, you can see the red point being scanned, all the features. You can see how fine is the edge detection here. See, the complete part is being scanned. And you're getting the drawing also here. Whatever drawing is being made, you're getting the drawing simultaneously here. Now this complete scanning is going on. Automatically it is focusing the part. You can see so many undulation on the surface. So you're getting the best fit results. So automatically it is going over there. Now in the screen also you can see a blue pointer and a green pointer. This blue pointer is your current position and the green pointer is where you have to go. So you can see the blue pointer is following the green point. So it will give you a guidance also. And all the results, whatever you have measured up till now, you will be getting over here. Like this, you can take these results into Excel, you can take the drawing into AutoCAD or Pro E format. Now you can see the inspection is very, very simple in this now. So once you have made a program, now a layman can also run the program. You just have to tell him that, go to the machine, recall that program and run it. So even a person who does not have knowledge about AutoCAD or computer systems or the working of the machine can measure the difficult component like MCB on this. You can see automatically focusing is there. This automatic focus will help you measure different heights also, which are very critical in this MCB. I'll just show you. In this MCB you can see the many surfaces. With these surfaces, various heights are of importance. Now these heights can be very easily measured with autofocus technique and with very, very good speed and very good accuracy also. So even you do not need anything else for measurement of heights. You can just program the height measurements also in this program. Automatically the heights will also be measured and you will get the results. So this is how the complete part will be scanned. It is going to different surfaces, it is scanning. So whatever you have programmed, you can do that. When you are checking the mold, it is always advisable to check the complete MCB out of that mold. And once you have passed the particular mold and you are doing a routine inspection, then in the same program you can select the dimensions you want to measure. That's the best part of it. You can select the dimensions you want to measure, it will measure only those. So you will not spend much amount of time in measuring the non-important measurements, dimensions. It will measure only the critical dimensions and it will give you the results. Also, there is one more feature, like you want to compare it with the AutoCAD drawing. You want to compare the MCB results with an AutoCAD drawing. You can do that. The first means is with the help of reports. You will get a color-coded pass and fail report. The second way is overlapping. You can overlap what drawing you are getting over here. This drawing, you can overlap onto an AutoCAD drawing and then you can do the overlap analysis. Also, if you want to save the time of programming, what you can do is you can import that AutoCAD drawing and you can do the measurement results from that. So that means just import the AutoCAD drawing. This machine will automatically program according to that AutoCAD drawing. This feature is known as auto programming, very useful for a critical component like MCB, where you can do the programming automatically and you will save that programming time. Generally in programming you spend around 3 to 4 hours. You will certainly save those 3 to 4 hours with the help of auto programming. You can see the program has successfully finished running. You have all the results. So this is how this vision inspection system will be a great help for MCB measurements as well as NCCB measurements.